Hello, everybody. This is KrypticNexus, also known as Anthony, and that light is really bright. Oh, it's getting late. I'm getting tired. So, sorry if I yawn. Oh, we're going to be checking out Fantasy Wireless Charger Cheese Standard. There is the size. Model is the Enterprise. There is the company information. This takes in 2 amps, outputs 1 amp, 73% efficient. 8mm distance transfer rate. That's pretty good. It says it has low temperature, safe built-in over voltage, under voltage, short circuit protection. So, usual spiel. I got this off the seller for a discounted price for my honest and unbiased review. So, let's see what I think of this. So, as most of you all know, I have a iron stand I use nightly. This looked see-through, and I want a charger for work, so see-through. Hell yeah. Just regular USB stick, USB cords. We have Fantasy Wireless Charger. Yeah, who needs directions? It's just a woo fancy. So, we have wireless charging pad, 2 amp in, 1 amp out. Some China export FCC, which who knows if they actually did that. And on the front, we have a rubber pad on the back, micro USB, fancy wireless charger, wireless and limitless. Well, that's kind of bullshit, because it does have limits. Because I can't charge while it's not plugged in. Sorry, just had to make the joke. I wonder how this comes apart. Hold on. Okay, that's ridiculously easy. So, the orange rubber band that goes around the top, that gives it a little bit of grip for your phone, quite literally is what holds it in, and then it's just hooked down. So, I got one hook done, and I was just like, yeah, let's just turn on the camera and see if I can do this one-handed. Because why not? Feels like we're getting a little bit stuck here and there. Yeah, alright. Can't get it all the way out with one hand, but you can see that the top just peels off, and there is a triple coil. Alright, so I had to break out the toolkit because there was 2 screws, one holding it here and one holding it here from the underside. And once I took the screws out, this thing just fell apart. There's one screw, the other screw's right there. Probably still, yep, right there. So this looks like the iron stands, very, very similar to their triple charger. So let's try to pull this out all the way. Hold on. I didn't want to break the little PCB holding the USB on, so there is our coils soldered on and all that flux residue. But the good thing is all our chips have names. And symbols. So there's the B chip. There's a Texas Instruments LM324. There is that chip. You can read all 4 of those right there. And that's it. So you got 3 coils. Oh, is there any LEDs on the sides? I don't see any. But I'm thinking it has clear sides because there's LEDs. So I haven't plugged it in yet. What's that? 3 coil. Yep, LED, LED. There's LEDs. LED, 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 LED. So this glows a color. If I were to guess by just fucking deduction from all of these wireless chargers, those LEDs are probably fucking blue. Hold on. Actually, yeah, just hold on. Okay, so I have it plugged into a battery pack here, and watch. Oh, up there. There, it's glowing blue. I don't know how well you can see that with, well, that hand's covering everything, dumbass. Yeah, I'm not sure how well you can see. How, can I cover it up? Okay, yeah, I can cover that. Hold on. Okay, so mind the finger glare, but you can definitely see that this is a purple blue color. Yay. I'm sorry, but good God, sorry guys. I despise these wireless chargers that think they have to be all fancy and shit and glow different colors and hold on. And all that stuff, because honestly, yes, this is a work stand for me, so it does not matter. But at night, if you're going to use this on a nightstand, this is going to be bright and annoying as hell. So, just be warned. Anyways, I mean, that's a fairly easy to take apart device. You've got 2 screws. You got to take out the orange strip and then undo all the little clippy guys, and it just kind of falls apart on you. So not too terrible. I will have to use this at work and leave down in the description how well it does. But anyways, this has been KrypticNexus, also known as Anthony. And if you like the video, give me a like. If you dislike the video, well, give me a like. I do this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Oh, so tiring. Most of the time, I shoot it all on the weekend and edit it on the weekend. So, it's a 2-day job for 3 videos for you guys. Well, tonight I'm shooting more than 3 videos. But either way, if you like the content, give me a like. If you really like the content, subscribe. Because I put content like this out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And to reiterate, I did get this from the seller for a discount for an honest and unbiased review. I think I did a decent job because fuck blue LEDs. Stop doing it. Give me one. One indication LED. That's all you need. Not 6 or 8, whatever this one has. Anyways, it's been me. Bye! Just wanted to tack this on at the end. This is my nightstand with this at night. It's not that bright as I expected it to be, but it is still fairly bright.